Hi guys, my name is Shan, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 major mistakes that most marketers make with their landing pages that results in a very low conversions. The first most common mistake that top in this list is making it too complicated. As I said, young marketers or entrepreneurs can actually easily overwhelm with everything they want to put on their landing pages and end up making it too complicated. Okay, like I don't think you should expect people to perform too many actions on a landing pages. So creating a whole process that requires too many clicks or navigation can make your visitor go elsewhere, because these days people are so lazy. Okay, so as a matter of fact, even a 1 second delay in a page loading can decrease your conversion rate by 7%. So that's a huge number. So it's clearly better to make a simple, less complicated, action focused and only one page